YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy 730 G Weezy back with it. Today we're going to be talking about pixie cuts. Before we get into that, I just want to have you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. If you guys see anything that you want me to talk more about in depth, just let me know. So let's get right into this. So right now I got my number 2 guard on, and I'm bringing my 2 all the way up to the top, as high as I want my pixie cut to go on the sides. You know, pixie cuts, we're going to leave it relatively long on top, so right now I'm just picking away with my 2, getting that 2 as short as I want it on top. I'll switch it over. I got my 1 guard on right now, and I'll leave it open, and now I'm actually just fading right into that 2. So you know I'm not going all the way to the bottom of the head, because there's no point of that, because I'm going to be going skin. So I'll close that 1 now, and now I'll start fading into the 1.5, not creating another line, just fading into the last guard that I had. My girl Jill, she likes to go real short on the side. She likes to go with skin. So now I'm making a line of demarcation. This is going to be that line where my skin is going to start. So I'm just creating that skin line right now. So now I know where the bottom of my fade's going to be and where the top of my fade's going to end. So from here on out, we're just going to be blending in between those 2 lines. We're going to be fading in between that skin line and the number 2 line. So we started off with the 2, we did the 1 open, we did the 1, and now I'm creating that line right now. Now I'm just skinning out everything at the bottom. She likes it skin, so we're just skinning that all out. And you know, I'm dropping this video because I see a lot of pixie cuts, and I understand girls in salons are trying to like fade, so hopefully this helps some of you guys out. I hope you guys watch it. If you guys want to see another video of me get into depth with it, maybe I could do it a different way, just comment below and I'll be sure to do that. So now that I blended everything out at the bottom, I got my skin down. Now I got my 16th guard on. So basically all I'm doing now is I'm just trying to get rid of that skin line. So I'm just flicking out right at that skin line, but I'm not leaving my blade totally flat where it's going to be making another line into that 1 closed guard that I have, if that makes sense. Right now I got my guards off and I'm just using the blade. My blade's open, and like I said, I'm just trying to punch out that skin line now. I'll use my corners of the blades, and I'll just keep going back and forth. I'm looking in my mirrors, making sure I don't see any dark spots. If I do see dark spots, I'm just hitting it with the corners of my blades. And like I said, any of my salon ladies out there, if you guys see something in this video, you're having a real hard time with it, leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. I answer all the comments that come off of my channel, so I'll be sure to get back to you. Now I know, like in salon cuts, you girls usually ain't really going right down to the skin, so if you want me to make another one with me not going down to the skin, I can also do that. Just let me know. But like I said, I'm just trying to clean this area up, trying to get rid of all those dark spots, make a nice gradients on the side there. That's what we're going for. As you guys know, pixie cuts usually on top, they leave pretty messy. You know, it's kind of funky, so we're not touching anything on top. We're just letting it do what it does. You know, and whatever we do to one side, we'll go right over to the other side and do the same thing on the other side. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do one side of the head, then I'll show you the final product. And like I said, I know this was a short video. I usually go way longer than that, but I just kind of want to throw something out there just to show you girls or you guys out there, barbers, if you guys have any clients that have pixie cuts, you know, this is a good start off. You know, I'll do a video with me texturizing the top and showing you guys how we style it. but I feel like this is a good start. So why don't you just start with this, and if you guys have any problems, any questions, just leave a comment. And like I said, I'm 730G Weezy. Follow me on Instagram, 730G Weezy. That's my handles for everything, so follow me. I'm happy to talk with you guys, and if you need anything, just let me know.